This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Fantastic brick ranch home nestled in highly sought-after Plantation Lakes in the heart of Greenbrier. Home is low maintenance all the way around, landscaping, 2 deck areas, in-ground pool with updated mechanicals, fully encapsulated crawl space, west/dehumidifier, newer metal-wrapped windows and trim leaf guard gutters, newer roof, heating and air system that have been very well maintained, new back fence, new expansive white and bright kitchen, west/custom cabinetry, multiple pullouts, pantries, island, stainless steel gas appliances package, west/hood, new LVP flooring and living areas, 2 fully renovated bathrooms, frog and garage wired for electric vehicles. For more information, review the details below.